Assalamualaikum and hello everybody. Welcome to the 8th video of our first chapter, Playing with Numbers. Today we'll be seeing a very interesting topic called as divisibility tests. Now before we come to what is a divisibility test, we need to understand few basic things. In last class we have seen how to do division, right? And how to find quotient and remainder. So if I have to check if some number is divisible by another number, then the rule is that the remainder should be 0. What does it mean? If I have to check a number like 12 or 126 and let us suppose I am dividing this by 2, and if I want to check if 126 is divisible by 2, that means when I say divisible, the remainder should be 0. That means 126 should be divided by 2. So I'll take 2 6 are 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. I'll take 6 here. 2 3s are 6 and 6 minus 6 will be 0. So remainder is 0. That's why 126 is divisible. 126 is divisible by 2. Now in today's topic, what we'll be doing is, we will not do division. We'll just learn some rules. We'll just learn something called as divisibility test. And by using that test, without even doing division, you can easily just see the number and tell whether this number is divisible by the given number or not. So there are rules for so many numbers. We'll be learning divisibility test for 3, divisibility test for 9, divisibility test for 5, 10, 4 and also 11. The rules are very simple. As and when I teach you one rule, it will be very interesting for you to understand. So without wasting any much time, let us begin. What are divisibility tests? Under this, the first topic will be, let us say, divisibility by 3 and 9. Why am I writing 3 and 9? Because there is same rule for 3 and 9. So what is the rule for divisibility by 3 and 9? If I have a number and if I want to check whether that number is divisible by 3 or 9, what should I do? Example, if I have a number 312, and if I want to check whether this number is divisible by 3, I'll first take 3, then I will take 9. Please remember, the rules are different for different numbers. For 3 and 9, the rule is, you will always have to add all the numbers given in the question first. And after adding, what answer will come? If that answer is in the table of 3 or in the table of 9, that means it is divisible. Example, 312 should be taken as 3 plus 1 plus 2. I should add all the 3 numbers. What is 3 plus 1? 4. And 4 plus 2 is 6. Do we get 6 in the table of 3? Yes. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Because 6 comes in the table of 3, that's why 312 is divisible by 3. I hope you have understood what is the rule for divisibility by 3. For divisibility by 3, we take the given question, separate all the numbers in that, add them together, and whatever answer we get, if that number is available in the table of 3, that means it is divisible by 3, otherwise it is not divisible by 3. Same rule for 9 also. But before coming to 9, let me try with some number like 370. Let me add these. 3 plus 1 plus 7. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 7, 11. Now, do we get 11 in the table of 3? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Do I get 11? No. That means 370 is not divisible by 3. Okay, we say a number is divisible by 3 if we add all the digits of the given question and see if the answer after adding is a multiple of 3, and if it is a multiple of 3, that means it is divisible, otherwise it is not divisible. Same rule goes for 9 also. For 9 also you will have to add all the digits in the given question, and if that number comes in the table of 9, it means it is divisible by 9. If it does not come in the table of 9, it is not divisible by 9. Let us see one or two examples for 9 as well. Okay, so let me go with 426. Let me add the numbers. 4 plus 2 plus 6. 4 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. So do we get 14 in the table of 9? Let us check. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. So 9, then 18. So do I get 14? No, I don't. That means 426 is not divisible by 9. Okay, so let me take a number like 909 and check if this is divisible by 9 or not. Let me add 9 plus 0 plus 9. 9 plus 0 is 9 only, and 9 plus 9 is 18. So do we get 18 in the table of 9? 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, right? So if I get this number in the table of 9, that means 909 is divisible by 9. I hope you have understood what are the divisibility rules for 3 and 9. Yes? So please try to understand this, and in tomorrow's class we'll be covering some more divisibility rules for 4, 5, 10 and 11 as well, and we'll move on to the exercise after that. Your homework for today is I want you to take some random digits, 3-digit numbers, 4-digit, 5-digit numbers, how much ever you want, at least 10 examples, and check if they are divisible by 3, and then take some examples and check if they are divisible by 9 or not. Let us quickly recall the rule. What should we do for the divisibility by 3 and 9? Add all the given numbers in the question and then see if the final answer after addition will be available in the table of 3 or table of 9. If it is a multiple of 3, it means it is divisible by 3. If it is not a multiple, it is not divisible by 3, and same rules go for 9 as well. I hope you have enjoyed this divisibility test where you don't have to do division, but still you can tell whether it is divisible or not. Please go through the video again if you have not understood, and let me know if you have any doubts. Please do submit your homework on the Google Classroom app. Thank you very much for watching the video.